Hello. Jan here from Into the Woods, and welcome to today's forest bathing while self-isolating, where I take you out into my local woodland and we get a breath of fresh air together while we're cooped up indoors. Today is beautiful. It's completely still, there's not a breath of wind, and there's some patches of blue sky. I'm even hoping for some sun later. Is that too bold? Today I've been really struck by the shapes in nature. I've been struck by the beautiful flowing sinewy curves and twiningness that we see everywhere in the woods. To me, it's pure art. So I've come back to the little pond to check on the Frogspawn, and I'm delighted to say that the rescue mission was a success. All of the Frogspawn is floating freely. That's not easy to say. This is my third attempt. And in good health. And I'll show you some of the Frogspawn is now developing way ahead of the others, and some of them have got little tails now. Some are still just little black balls, and I guess that's the frog's way of spacing things out so they don't have all their eggs in one basket. Better chance of survival if they stagger their emergence. But they're doing really well. Well, I have you to thank, because I am seeing all sorts of things that I don't usually notice. And because I came down to the pond to film the Frogspawn to see how it's doing, I looked more closely at the film afterwards, and oh my goodness, underneath the Frogspawn I can see these pink worms, so fine, they're like a thread of cotton, and they seem to be sweeping through the water. There's a kind of a water breeze flowing past them, and they're kind of swooping the water. See if you can notice them. For today's sensory experience, I've gathered together some bits and pieces that are kind of hard and scratchy from this area here, just where I'm sitting on the forest floor. And I invite you to explore them with me, with your mind. Have a go. So I hope you're keeping well. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.